It's peach day. It's peach day. It's peach day. Listen, every nourishing choice you make today is helping to create a healthier tomorrow. Take care of your body because it's the only place you have to live. Take care of your body because it's the only place you have to live. Yes. And welcome back to Get Healthy Now Mastery. We're so glad you're here with us today, and we are doing a different type of juice today. We are juicing peaches. Another heart health juice. Another brain health juice. Another gut health juice. Oh my goodness, y'all. Another skin and vision juice. Oh my goodness. Think about this. Think about it. I've not juiced peaches, but look at those peaches. Aren't they pretty? Oh my goodness, my sister went to the beach and came back and called me to see if I wanted some peaches, and I told her yes. So we're juicing these. We got 20 peaches and about 7 inches of ginger here. It's a lot of ginger. So here we go. So we're going to get started. But again, thank you all so much for joining me today right here in the laboratory. Oh yeah, remember, good health starts in the kitchen. Good health starts in the kitchen. I'm always going to remind you of that. So again, thank you for joining me today, and thank you for allowing me to come into your home. Oh yes. So and thank you to all of my subscribers, all of my Get Healthy Now Mastery subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you to my channel members, Juice Masters. Thank you. And thank you to all of my supporters. I really appreciate you. So we're going to get this juice going. Like I said, I've never juiced, I've never juiced peaches before. But I am going to do that today. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Oh, yeah. I'm going to juice these peaches. And they are juicy. Juicy, juicy, juicy. And I have no idea of how much juice I'm going to get from these peaches. But we are going to do whatever it is we do and juice them up. So yes, 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 yes. And peaches are good to help with regular bowel movements. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. I did not. And it helps protect against cell damage. There was one I didn't even cut it all the way up, but that's okay. It'll go through the juice. It'll go through the juicer. And this juice, oh my goodness, the peaches smell so good. They do. Yes, they do. Again, I told you this was juicy. Yes, they are. So we're going to get this ball going. Did I plug it up? No, I didn't plug it up, but I guess if we're going to do something, I got to plug it up. I got to plug it up, right? I do. You all, let me tell you something. Peaches are very hydrating, full of water. Let me tell you, it helps, again, with your digestion and energy. It gives you lots of energy, and we're gonna see that in a little bit. Do I need some more energy? I think I do. Peaches are good in antioxidants. Oxygen. Oh yeah, and they protect your body from everyday stress, environmental factors. Oh, you guys, have you ever thought about peaches? Peach juice? I've seen peach juice in the store. Oh, wow. Look at that. I've seen peach juice in the store, but I've never bought any peach juice. No, I haven't. So anyway, we're gonna check this out, and we're gonna see exactly what it tastes like. Yes, we are. Oh yeah. You all tell me if you've had peach juice or if you've made peach juice. If you made peach juice, let me know what you added to it. Let me know what you added to your peach juice. That's very interesting. So yeah, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Oh yeah. And I'm just gonna say this, that health is a journey. There's no finish line when it comes to wellness. Health is a journey. So everyday choices that we make is a part of our health journey. Everyday choice. Oh my gosh, that is so thick. Woo. Oh my goodness. This is exciting, y'all. This is really, and it smells so good. Oh wow. As I hear people say, OMG. Oh my God. Woo. Woo. I can't wait to taste that one. Again, health is a journey. There is no finish line when it comes to wellness. Every day is an opportunity to make choices that support your health goals. Remember your health goal for June? We're in June. What's your health goal for June? What's your health goal? This is Wednesday, June the 10th. So that means I have 16 more days of my juice fast. You all, come on, we got 16 days left. Come on and join. Give me one day. Give me one day. Yes. Oh, I cannot wait to taste. Oh my gosh. Woo. 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 Did I tell you peaches support your gut health as well? Did I tell you that? You all, oh my goodness. And good heart health food. Oh, yes. Good heart health food. So powerful. So every nourishing choice you make today is helping to create a healthier tomorrow. Helping to create a healthier tomorrow. Yes. So take care of your body because it's the only place you have to live. So as you enjoy this peach ginger juice, this heart health juice, oh my goodness. Remember that wellness isn't about perfection. It's about us being consistent. You know, I talk about being consistent. Consistency is the key. Woo! Y'all, I am ready. I am ready to taste this one. Oh my goodness. We're going to put these in the 16-ounce jars. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. I might need 4. I'm not sure. Oh, and guess what? I am drinking orange lemon water. Y'all, it is delicious. I just sliced up some lemons and some oranges and put it in the water and let it set overnight. Oh, this is awesome. That's awesome. All right, so let's get these juices in here. Oh my goodness. I am excited about this. Yes, I am. Y'all, oh my gosh. You're gonna have to try this. Oh, you know what? Let me put some over here first before I put it all over here. Yeah, oh my goodness. Look at that. Woo. Now this does not look anything like the peach juice in the store. It does not. It does not. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. So tomorrow we're going to bring you another wonderful juice. I think I made it several years ago. And it is watermelon and pineapple. Watermelon, pineapple, and ginger. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at this. Let's put this over here out the way. I'm telling you, this water makes me drink a lot of water. Y'all, you got to try this water. Oh my goodness. Ooh. All right, here we go to the wonderful peach ginger juice. Peach ginger juice. Peaches bring a natural sweetness that makes healthy juicing enjoyable without adding sugar. This juice is a reminder that healthy choices can be delicious. Cheers to heart health, to skin health, to vision health, to gut health. Cheers, cheers to cell health. Oh my goodness. Oh, y'all, I just hit another home run. I just hit another home run. Another one. Good for the heart. Oh, and I feel it going down. I feel it going down. Oh, y'all, I'm going to have to find me some more peaches. I'm going to have to find me some more peaches. My sister got these peaches from a peach farm somewhere. But anyway, oh my goodness. And how I wash my peaches off, I think I let my peaches set in water for an hour. But I put vinegar, white vinegar, and baking soda. And I let them set in the water for over an hour. It was over an hour. I do know that. I'm telling you. Oh my gosh, y'all. Y'all gotta try this. You gotta try it. You gotta try it. You gotta try it. Oh my goodness. So y'all, here you have it. Peach ginger juice. And you will not find this in the store. No, you won't. And instead of drinking coffee in the morning, you want this mighty, 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 mighty peach juice. Yes, 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 yes. Again, there is no finish line when it comes to wellness. There is no finish line. We keep going and we keep going and we keep going. Again, thank you all so much. Listen to your body. Listen to your body. Your body is constantly communicating with you. Nourishing foods and juices can be part of honoring what your body needs. On that note, thank you again to all of my subscribers. You all know my goal right now is to get 5,000 subscribers. Please help me to get these 5,000 subscribers. Yes, it is. My goal is to build my membership. Please consider being a Juice Master member. Yes, look, just go to the to my homepage and you'll see members and you can see join and just click join. Or if you're watching the video, look underneath the video and you'll see the word join and you can join Juice Masters. Oh, come on, y'all. Come on, come on. Again, thank you so much for being with me. Thank you to all of my subscribers. I really, really appreciate you and I love you. Yes, I do. Thank you to all of my supporters. The newcomers, I thank you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Get healthy now. We are reaching the world. We are reaching the world globally. Oh, yes. So wherever you are in the world, reach out to your family and friends and encourage them and inspire them to come over to Get Healthy Now Mastery as we continue to move forward Peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and broccoli.